But I love that question. And I got some on the DM, right? Um, I got a question from Marco_773. What do you suggest is a percent of your monthly take home should we allocate to paying ourselves? So I put out a post on social where I was, telling my kids, the one way to truly not go broke is to first pay yourself, right? Pay yourself first. You want to treat investing like a bill. And then secondly, don't live above your means. And so the question is asking, right, what percent of your monthly take home should be allocated towards paying ourselves? In order to truly reach financial freedom, I think a minimum should be 15%. So if you make $100,000 after taxes, you're saying 15,000 a year should get you to your goal. And you're looking, that could be from your 401k, your Roth IRA, and your normal brokerage account. The idea is, at a minimum, remember, if you want to reach financial freedom much earlier, the idea is saying a minimum is 15%, but you could go up even higher, 20, 25. But that is how you will ensure you will reach financial freedom.